This is Area Buckcoin Slash in the research facility map. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, first Buckcoin Slash is the first chest. So, what are you gonna do? Go up here. Flip one. Grab the key. Where'd it go?
Help, I'm stuck.
Here it is.
Your cameraman's
What do you
stuck.
mean?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah, the
Now we gotta
cameraman
open
is.
this door. Now what we do, this is where things just get so random. But what you gotta do is clip your head through this torch. When you hear no blocks play, you wanna sprint. Here we go, 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 go.
Yeah. It's
And
called
then
to
we
hold
head
you guys
this way.
and
We can actually
do
get our
parkour.
second Buckcoin Slash while we're here. But we are gonna
Yeah.
need another red key, so give me a second.
Watch
race
this
car.
guy. Help, help.
What are you doing?
Grab the video. Save the video.
I got you. And I need my gun for this. Ready? Ready, Calm?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to sprint through the brittle glass. Yes. Then you go through here. Then down here. To this chat.
Guys,
Chest.
look at us. I don't have it. I don't own it, but
That's cool. Now
Yeah,
our next
I-
one is actually over here, actually.
they just killed the creator.
Now we gotta get up here. There is a one super
The camera
hidden
keeps disappearing.
I don't know, you keep eating it, that's why. There's a Buckcoin Slash
Yep.
right here. Or the button's like around there somewhere. Around here. There's a button. Button.
I got it right here.
Yo guys, what do these do? I wonder.
Oh, I'm not holding the camera, that's why. Sorry, I keep inhaling it.
Okay.
Follow the.
Now we go
Actually,
through
want
this
to fall in
acid.
the toxic gas. You want to do a swift motion and get into this hole. Then you want to get into here.
Now
follow?
we get up here. Then we have this guy.
And with the nose, and you get stabbed. Oh,
Yay.
no, duh.
This camera.
Then we
It's
go
a door.
here.
It's a door.
It's a secret door, guys.
Okay. I'm saying we
wanna
go
go
back
up?
up here because wait, no, I know where the fourth one is. We're going down here. Go through. I literally
Got my
don't
nut.
care. Go through here. Now we get on top of Fred.
At
on
the
top of
case
Fred.
car.
And there's a Buckcoin Slash right here.
It's hiding. You would never seen this if you didn't
Button.
watch our video.
And now,
Let's say something to the viewers real quick.
not me.
Real quick. Alright. Okay, guys. You know I'm the new cameraman, and this would be my third video, technically my second video. But he's a lovely man, and you should subscribe because he works hard to do that. That map we showed you, he worked hard to do it. If you've not seen our last video, so let's get on with the video.
All right. And now our final Buckcoin Slash is down there. Got another one.
I'm here.
Oh, I thought you were stuck. Now we go through here
I'm not that stupid.
in the mines.
I'm pretty stupid.
Go this way. Wait. It's a Buckcoin Slash.
Whoa. We did
No
it.
freaking way.
Now I have two.
Oh, I just
Let's
realized.
go.
This is a racist deep zone.
Yeah.
Lizard,
Bonus
my
time.
cameraman will get to torture me in the trial chamber.
Yeah.
Cameraman gets to torture me in this trial chamber. My camera. Okay. There we go. Here we go. Can't be that bad, can it? Guys, that's the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, or else I will you will never see Kyle again or Basher.
Anyways, that's the video, guys.